Today we're going to learn some compound words for things you find in the kitchen and for food. Compound words are words that you take one word and another word, put them together, and make a new word. Are you ready? Let's go. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Cupcake. Cupcake. Milkshake. Milkshake. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. Dishcloth. Dishcloth. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. Tablespoon. Tablespoon. What? Yeah. Why does English have so many words that are oh so fun to use, but don't always make sense, and they're compound words? I don't know, but I hope this helps. Peace, friends.